Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and frankly troubling case from Cleveland, Ohio. It involves a murder investigation, a crucial piece of evidence, and the increasingly complex role of AI in law enforcement.
The stakes are incredibly high.
I'm already hooked. What's the core issue? Is it a question of AI accuracy or something more?
It's both, actually. A murder victim, Blake Story, was found dead. Police used Clearview AI, a facial recognition program, to identify a suspect, Keon Tolbert. But here's the catch. Clearview explicitly states its results aren't admissible in court.
Whoa! So they used inadmissible evidence to get a search warrant? That sounds like a major legal blunder.
Exactly. The warrant led to the discovery of what police believe is the murder weapon. But because of the AI's questionable admissibility, a judge suppressed the evidence. The case is now potentially derailed.
So the prosecution's case hinges on this one piece of evidence? That's incredibly risky reliance on a technology with such a disclaimer.
Precisely. The prosecutors themselves admit that without the gun, their case is essentially lost. It's a devastating blow, especially for the victim's family. The father, Carlton Story, is understandably upset, but remains hopeful.
This highlights a larger issue, doesn't it? The lack of oversight and regulation surrounding AI and law enforcement. It's the Wild West, as one expert put it.
Absolutely. Ohio, and specifically Cleveland, lacks clear policies governing AI use by police. There's no training, no standardized procedures. The detective who used the Clearview AI report even admitted he hadn't read the disclaimer about admissibility. Unbelievable.
That's shocking. So the judge's decision to suppress the evidence is a direct result of this lack of oversight and the police department's failure to follow basic procedures?
Yes. The judge ruled that the AI identification was akin to an anonymous tip, insufficient for probable cause. The defense successfully argued the affidavit was misleading. The prosecution is appealing, but the odds seem stacked against them. It's a really sad situation.
It's a cautionary tale, isn't it? This case underscores the urgent need for clear guidelines and training on the use of AI in law enforcement. Otherwise, we risk undermining the very justice system we're trying to uphold. And it's not just Cleveland. This is a problem across Ohio and potentially nationwide.
You're right. The Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation has its own policy on Clearview AI. But Cleveland's lack of regulation is a glaring example of the problems that can arise. This isn't just about technology. It's about accountability and ensuring that the use of powerful tools like AI doesn't compromise fundamental rights. We need better oversight, better training, and clearer legal frameworks.
Absolutely. This case is a wake-up call. It's a stark reminder that technology, while powerful, needs careful consideration and responsible implementation, especially when it comes to matters of justice. This isn't just a technical issue, it's a human one.
And that's where we'll leave it for today. Thank you for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope this discussion has been insightful and thought-provoking. Remember to stay informed and engaged in the conversation about AI and its impact on our society. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.